Welcome back to Microsoft Agent Plays Universe Sandbox 2. Last time, we put Venus in a colder zone and it managed to stay warm. Anyways, I wonder what we can do today.
Wait, aren't there custom scenarios built in? Going to check. If there are, we're gonna experiment with them.
Oh, wow! There is! That solar system with Betelgeuse of the sun looks interesting. Let's try it out.
Wow. Earth, Venus, Mars, and Mercury were swallowed. I wonder what the other planets are like.
Holy! Uranus is over 500 degrees C. This solar system must be very hot. I wonder where the habitable zone is.
Wow! That zone is very far out.
Okay, now that Earth is in the habitable zone, let's see how it does. Wow, Earth is frozen.
Anyways, it's time to end the video.